Today, we'll talk about water pollution and other man-made water problems, including real-world examples. This lesson was made by Mariah Thrush and Andrew Copley as part of Ohio University's NSF-funded Boat of Knowledge in the Science Classroom. What kinds of water pollution are there? The first categorization is where the water is located. Surface water, such as rivers and lakes, or groundwater, found in underwater aquifers. The other categorization is the type of pollution entering the water, including chemical, thermal, and oxygen depletion. These are broad categorizations, so let's talk about specific pollutants. So how many different water pollutants are there? Pause the video and make a list with your classmates. This is a short list of possible pollutants you might have thought of, including microorganisms, disinfectants and disinfection byproducts as they break down, inorganic and organic chemicals, and radionuclides. Lake Erie is the shallowest of the Great Lakes, and the land surrounding the lake is dominated by agriculture. Fertilizers used on the fields run off into the water, increasing the nutrient availability and causing algal blooms, which is the light green areas you see in the picture. More algae might sound like a good thing for fish, but the algae end up consuming oxygen either by respiration during the night or decomposition when it dies, which can cause fish and other organisms to die from lack of oxygen. Remember the category of thermal pollution? Climate change is causing a rise in temperature, including water temperature. The red color on the right map indicates an increase in temperature over the past 200 years. Humans use a lot of water. Think of how much water you use in any given day. Lake Powell is a man-made reservoir that was completed and filled in 1980 by backing up a portion of the Colorado River. In 2015, you can see that the Colorado River has no or very little water running into the reservoir. In another case of man-made water diversion, the Yellow River in China has been diverted for industrial and agricultural purposes. This diversion has caused major erosion and flooding problems, which engineers are constantly trying to fix. The Great Pacific Garbage Patch is approximately twice the size of Texas. Trash from humans is concentrated into an area due to circular ocean currents. Animals can get caught in the garbage or mistake it for food, resulting in injured or dead animals. So where do pollutants such as these examples come from? Pollution comes from either humans or nature. Pause the video and brainstorm what kind of pollutants come from humans and nature. It was probably easier to come up with pollutants created by humans, such as garbage and sewage. But nature can also produce pollutants, such as animal waste and volcanic ash. Let's take a closer look at human-made pollution. There's two types of human-made pollution: point sources and non-point sources. Point sources include factories, sewage plants, and stormwater discharge, where you can point to a specific location where the pollution is produced, like a pipe. Non-point sources include urban runoff, farming, mining, and construction sites, where pollution is more diffuse, like over a field or city. Pollution affects more than the organisms in the water. It can also affect humans that ingest polluted water. Pause the video and take some time to read through the symptoms of various water pollutants. It's important to work towards preventing water pollution and the problems associated with the pollution. Using less water, using environmentally friendly products, recycling, and not littering will help prevent water pollution. You can also volunteer your time with organizations such as the Environmental Protection Agency or a more local organization such as the Ohio River Valley Water Sanitation Commission or your local watershed group to help monitor water quality. Monitoring aquatic macroinvertebrate communities can give us information about water quality. Follow this website and print out worksheets for another activity. Remember, water pollution comes in many forms and hurts all organisms, including humans, so prevent pollution to keep water clean for everyone. Thank you for watching.